Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thanks for tuning in, and please make sure while you're here to subscribe, leave a comment, and please do give a thumbs up. It will help me out a lot. And today I'm going to show you guys my Amazon haul. I don't know about you guys, these days I'm shopping a lot on Amazon because everything is there, like you name it is there, and it's next day delivery. Is so convenient, so I was shopping a lot. Some bits I definitely needed, some bits I don't need it at all, but you know, when I saw it, it looked cute, so I bought it. So that's what I'm going to show you guys today, what I bought on Amazon. So let's get onto this video. So first thing first, I got this cute little tea set which I don't need it. I have so many tea sets and way too many mugs for tea, but I saw this and it looked so cute and reasonably priced. They have so many different prints. I went for this, I believe this is a jasmine print, I'm not too sure guys. Can you see that? I don't know, this is a jasmine print. It did look like a jasmine print, so I got this. It comes in 3 pieces and it's quite affordable as well. I think it's under £15. I'm not too sure, but I'll make sure I link all the items I shared today under the description, so you can click the link, and then if you like it you can shop. So yeah, I got these. I definitely don't need it, but then it looked so cute, and I'm so into tea these days. While I'm home I drink a lot of tea. It's kind of matching my outfit today as well guys. Oh my god, yeah. So yeah, I got this. One unnecessary purchase. Other thing I got is this cutlery set in gold. I'm seeing a lot on Instagram. Instagram made me buy this, to be honest. I don't even need it, but you know, it's cute, you know, when I'm displaying some food, or like when guests come, you know, some fancy gold cutleries. You can buy individually, but then it's cheaper if you buy a set. I think I bought a set of 6 each. So I got those ones for the kitchen, and they look cute and quite reasonably priced compared to H&M. H&M do have as well, I think quite expensive on H&M. But yeah, if you like gold cutleries, check out on Amazon. I'll leave the link. The other thing I got is these cute hair clips. Can you see? Yeah, so I'm seeing this again on Instagram a lot. I think these clips, professional hairstylists use them on hair models to, you know, keep the hair in place without making any dents or anything on the hair. But it looked so cute on its own, so I got that. And plus I have so much baby hair. I'm gonna make a mess on my hair. So yeah, plus I have so much baby hair, so I thought when I spray some hairspray and then clip this, it will keep the hair in place. So that's why I bought it. I think it's supposed to come two beige and 2 black, but my one came 3 black and 1 beige. But yeah, I'm not complaining, and super affordable as well. And yeah, it's cute little clips which I don't need it, but I bought it. Other thing I got, definitely need these razors. So during lockdown I haven't done my threading. Normally I get my upper lip and my brows threaded, but yeah, so now I can't go. Even if they open, I can't go because I think the staff needs to be too close to my face to thread, and then they can't wear a mask and thread. So I'm gonna do shaving, especially my upper lip. So I bought this. It comes in pack of, I don't know, 30 or 20, something like that. I think it's a disposable one. Once you use it, you have to throw it away. So I got a pack. I haven't done it yet. I'm gonna shave my upper lip, so I got that. And I also got these hair brushes. So it comes in a pack of 2. I saw this on my friend Mia. I think I got the exact same one or similar one. So these are like made with, I don't know, Brazil, I don't know. Okay, so I also got these hair brushes. It comes in a pack of 2 to comb my baby hair. and give a smooth finish, and it's really good as well. I've been using it a lot. So yeah, I got these ones. While I was shopping for the hairbrush, I came across these ones. So these like a toothbrush, but it's not, it's for the hair. It comes in two sides. It's like a little comb for your baby hair. Yeah, it came with pack of 5 different colors. It looked cute and super affordable. I don't even need it, but I bought it. So this is great. It comes with a USB charger and comes with like 4 different lights, which I don't use. You can adjust the lights, and then you can brighten up and reduce. Pretty decent price, and it's pretty good as well. So yeah, if you are into TikTok or even do like videos with using phone, this is great. And it's nice to go on your side bed table as well if you want it a bit light as well. So it comes really handy, and it's cute and it's simple and small. So I got that. So you guys are tired of seeing this basket all over my Instagram feed, but look how cute is this basket. I got this one on Amazon, guys. Can you believe it? Let me tie this properly. Yeah, so I bought this on Amazon because I was looking for a picnic basket everywhere, and either it's huge, like huge, or the color or it doesn't go with my style or something off. So I was like browsing on Amazon, and I came across this, and it was like under £20, and it's size for me to carry it around on my arm, and it's perfect size to take Ayan's lunch to the garden. So that's what I've been doing last few weeks. We have lunch outside, and it's so perfect to fit all his lunch and bits and bobs. I already have orange and serum because I was taking a picture the other day and I left it there. Yeah, how cute. I like the lining, the flower lining, everything. I like the color, the size. Love, and I'm obsessed, and I'm sure you guys can tell by looking at my Insta feed because it's pretty much on every post. Yeah, so cute, guys. Highly recommend, and well made, steady, cute little picnic basket. So item is, I did show this on my Insta story. I did share it. It's the egg boiler or egg steamer. You can steam veg as well, not just the egg or anything, whatever you want to steam it, boil it, you can use this. It's the electric one. You just add water underneath, and then it comes with a 2 set tray. You can use so much in here. I don't know about you guys, I hate boiling eggs. I have to wait like 15 to 20 minutes to boil eggs. Because of that, I hardly boil eggs. Since I got this, I was boiling egg every single day or every other day for Ayan and myself. And I put some, while I'm boiling egg, I put some veg as well, like a broccoli or beans, cauliflower. Just chop and put it in there, and then 10 minutes, within 10 minutes is ready, guys. So handy, so easy to clean, clear one. So handy, guys. I would highly recommend if you like your boiled eggs. Highly recommend egg boiler or steamer. Yeah, and it's cute, small, compact, comes with a plug. Yeah, I think I pretty much shared all the new bits that I bought on Amazon recently, and hope you enjoyed this video. I think I did miss few bits, but I can't remember what I bought because I bought quite a lot, guys. But yeah, I pretty much shared everything that I didn't share on my Insta story, apart from one thing. So much for watching, guys, and thank you for all the support. It means the world to me. And yeah, see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.